performance. Solid metering system. Great viewfinder and touchscreen. Good but not great battery life. The Lumix GH5S uses the same 1728 zone metering system as we've seen in the GH5, and quite a few other Lumix cameras for that matter, and as we've seen before, it's a consistent performer. In most instances we found that we didn't need to reach for the exposure compensation button. Its white balance system also delivers the goods, producing natural-looking results. Although if you're wanting a touch more warmth in overcast conditions, then one of the dedicated presets might offer that little bit of extra bite. The large and bright EVF display makes for an excellent shooting experience. Contrast is great, while the feed is incredibly smooth thanks to the fast refresh rate. On the rear LCD, Panasonic's touchscreen interface is also one of the best around, offering a wide breadth of control whether you're shooting or reviewing images. Battery life is rated at 440 shots, which is actually a little bit better than the GH5's 410 shots. That makes the GH5S better than some mirrorless rivals, although we reckon you'll still need a handful of spare batteries to make sure you're covered for a day out shooting.